My name is Santiago Madruga. I am Vice President of Ecosystem for Red Hat in EMEA. So that means I run all the alliances and partnerships for Red Hat in the EMEA region. I mean, we have a very broad portfolio from operating system up to very complex solutions, but I would say the main offerings include OpenShift, which is a platform, software platform, to basically permit the clients to work across multiple clouds in an open hybrid cloud environment where they can choose to move the workloads and the applications and the data from one cloud to the other, and do all of that in a very automated way with some technologies that we have like Ansible and others. So I would say we are the platform company for the cloud environment. I think if you think about the lock-in that clients had in the past with the client-server architecture on Unix servers or even with mainframe, I think the risk is that if you go only to one cloud, you could also be locked into that cloud and not be able to move or to innovate at the rhythm that you need. So with the Red Hat platform, it's very easy to develop applications that will run on any cloud, and you can dynamically change your choice of clouds. You know, in a very hybrid cloud, internal cloud, public cloud, multiple clouds, and combine those as it fits your business best. And you can do it in a very agile way, in a very automated way, so permitting the performance, the security, and the availability that you need to run your business securely. As you move to the cloud, you typically re-architect the applications to make them cloud native or at least cloud ready. And that gives an opportunity to work differently and to really speed up the process of innovation by having more collaboration between the development area and the operations area, and cutting the time to innovate from sometimes months to sometimes minutes. So the opportunity is not just to run things on the cloud, but to work in a different, more agile way with still a lot of quality, but driving innovation and agility as a prime reason to do all these changes, right? I mean, we have many different types of partners: cloud partners, ISVs, system integrators, OEMs. I think at the end, what we value the most is the partner that understands their market, their client, and also is willing to enable itself on all these technologies about Kubernetes, Agile, DevOps, automation, and work with us to help us scale into the market. Not really help Red Hat, but more help the end customers benefit from all the innovation that is happening in the open source world that Red Hat packages and delivers with our technologies. First of all, this is the modern way to run a business with technology. All the innovation is happening on open source. Open source is a development mode, and it's the development engine that all the companies are using. If you look at Google, Microsoft, any internet-run business is using open source as the fundamental technology, and they innovate on open source communities, and that's Red Hat's strength. We are very present on the open source community to package all that innovation. Obviously, we also contribute to it as a major stakeholder, and then we provide it in a packaged way that companies can use it and benefit from all that innovation with all the reliability, the security, the performance, the documentation, the lifecycle management that they are used to from the traditional software vendors. But again, it's the power of innovation from open source with the reliability of a big traditional vendor in IT. I think, as companies go digital, they transform their business, and the right way to do it is today on a cloud, on a hyper multi-open cloud environment, managed in a way that you have the freedom of choice. The return on investment will depend on what your business is, on what you put on top of this cloud. But typically we are talking that in the first year, people see increased revenues and time to market that well offset all the investments that are required.